Change up the way you are assessing your students by giving them a Show What You Know text set. This simple text set is made on a Google Doc and it's loaded with choices students can select when trying to show you their knowledge base on the topic you've just taught. You can attach this Google Doc by linking it to any kind of digital assignment or sharing it in Google Classroom. You can see here for this problem of the week assignment, I've attached the Show What You Know text set right here with a link. I've also linked it here in the directions. Students are to solve each problem of the week, and I've asked them to select a web tool that they would like in order to explain their thinking with that math problem. Now, underneath each web tool, there is a video tutorial that I have just searched YouTube to find in case students get stuck on how to use these tools. I encourage students to try different kinds of web tools each time, and I give the instructions here. Use the fill tool to color in any box that you've completed. So if a student just simply selects a space and goes and uses the fill tool, then it can visually show which ones they've tried and which ones they are still maybe looking to give it a shot during the school year. One thing that also saves a lot of time is giving instructions for how to collect their work right here in the center. This is a Google form where students can turn their work in for choose their own projects, and I can also link student projects here in the spreadsheet so they can check out each other's assignments there. Saves a lot of time and really changes the way that students can be assessed. No longer do you have to watch 120 PowerPoints. You are free to use this lesson. Just simply go to File, make a copy, and be sure to change out this form and the link here to the spreadsheet so that you're able to collect your students' answers.